That's your Grizzly team.
Yeah.
Ah, I'm stuck.
We don't want to shoot him.
Right behind you. I see him, Humvee. He's at the nose at Humvee. What? Hey! Hey!
Hey, can I get close fire?
What do you want?
The truck.
There's one guy right there behind this little file cabinet thing.
Get stuff by him, wait for him to peek.
Right my fucking shoulder, too.
Yeah, underneath.
There he is. His gun's peeking out.
What a spot.
He's still there. Alright. See his little gun peeking out in between the file cabinet?
How much right there?
Hey! They have the target!
They do? I see the target.
Guys, push! You guys have 2 minutes to get that target back!
Humvee! Hey, there's one guy right behind that file cabinet, alright?
Cameron! Back!
Oh, good shot. Coming up. I'm coming up behind you. Coming up behind you. Keep fire.
Right now.
You're good. Alright. Still house.
You need a push!
Ow, good shot, hit.